I'm stupid. I didn't even turn off the mic. Oh shoot, I'm hungry. What? Bandage. Okay. So lucky, I got a bandage. The deer is coming. Even on day 2, the deer, when we were outside, the deer just got us. Like chasing, and I'm scared. Who ate all of the pumpkins? I'm dying
Not
here.
me. Not me. Find a pumpkin. All people not get some food. Bro. Eat.
They just ate the
Kill
food.
the bunny.
Ay, that's oh, berries. Nah, they ate the berries.
The deer. See the deer. I'm here at the fishing.
Why there two blues? The one with the boy. Why there two blues?
Bro, I think upgrade. Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. What did you buy? 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 What did you buy?
What did you buy, bro?
What did you buy, you
Bro.
mister?
Bro.
Mister, what did you buy?
Ayun, maganda.
Gotta find some pumpkins before I die from hunger.
Oh, it's a good thing. It's a good story. Yay, Kariwar is on top.
Oh, you're
Oh,
the
leather body. I found some leather body. I see the stronghold.
Stop eating all the pumpkins.
I see the stronghold, guys.
Really?
Bro, I'm not lucky. I didn't get a rifle. I see the stronghold.
Wow, there's a good chest there. I'm going in there.
Where?
I found some ammo. I'm gonna get the ammo. You can store the ammo. I'm gonna give it to you after. Store, not take, please. Pumpkin! Mr. Pumpkin, I was dying because of you. Why is it giving you a tutorial?
Yeah, it's giving me a tutorial.
I think I found the. Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the alpha wolf.
The alpha wolf was chasing me. Now. Oh, there was no. Oh, I got a spear.
Why do I get some bad things? I got Oh my God! Someone found Dino Kid.
Where's the file?
Give me that! Give me that sack, boy! Give me that pelt boil. Star.
Hey,
You have. Someone got.
bro, I found a 2 fuel canisters. I found a. Oh my.
Bro, who wants a good sack?
Me.
Go to the Dino Kid.
Wait.
Eat pump. Brr.
What do you want? Bro, what?
Aisha!
Bow? Bro, just a use. Just a useless thing.
Give me that sack!
Just a useless
Kiyate,
thing.
dali.
Give me that sack!
Just a
Dali,
useless
guli mo sila, dali. Dali,
Just a
ako.
useless.
Yan.
Oh no, I accidentally dropped it.
Get the good stuff, please.
Where the campfire?
Bro, why is like this?
Ate Gab.
What? I'm gonna buy something.
Pig, I got you a good sack.
What?
Get it before someone does.
Where?
Get it! Pig!
I already get it.
Why is he still sitting down?
What?
Wait, what's your name? Oh, Dino King. How do you pronounce that?
Where? Rocket Kid.
Oh. Is that type of fish or something?
I'm gonna buy a log wool.
Good.
I bought some log wool.
Goody.
Not enough wood. Because all people wasting the...
Yeah.
Why the boys flash? With the flashlight on.
I don't know. They
Uh-oh.
thought you are
It's not straight, but it's straight.
you. Oh yeah, I forgot you.
I want a hammer.
Actually, I just want to do it on morning. Actually,
I want a hammer, guys. Because people.
I must save up for the decorator. And when I have it, I will give the hammer to you. Pinky, I will be back.
Do not cut the trees, guys. No. Yeah, we do not cut the trees, okay? It looks like a balloon, but it's purple.
How? How? Ay, bro! You're getting my sack. Simple.
My body looks weird. I'm gonna build a tree house.
I'm gonna just go get a chest that is like cool. I saw a cool chest. I don't want the basic one. I want the
Good
cool-
chest.
Yeah, good chest. Oh no! Wait.
Can you give me if you get a strong axe?
Okay.
Because where is it?
It's not a ruby. It's or red.
Oh, it's not. It's not. Ayun. Get. Go there.
Look, fell canister.
I see the.
Bro, someone found
I
the
see the
second kid.
I saw the kid. Go and get it. Not go there. There. Right side.
Bro. It's scraps.
I think it's a. Oh, it's not a ruby chest. It's not a
open.
ruby chest. Oh, look this.
Sapling. Okay, gotta go back to base and eat some pumpkins. Go rifle!
Oh, I have so many ammos. Yeah.
Wait, where do you have a revolver? I have a revolver ammo.
I have.
I can see the trap. Where are the pumpkins? Is there food?
Yeah.
Should I eat? Bro, stop camping the food.
I want to eat some berry.
Bro, he's camping.
This is what it sounds like. I broke into a million pieces and now we can't go back. Something evil is arriving today.
I know. It's the cult members. What is night is approaching?
What? The trees are growing now.
Yeah.
I have so many ammo.
What the signal? I will give you you won't wait.
Can you give me the rifle?
No!
What's this?
I'm fishing rod.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you
Can
can
you
get.
give me the rifle?
No! This is my first time having a rifle, bro.
I have so many ammo. Like 4 or 3.
I thought I accidentally shoot.
You wasted.
I'm not wasting my happy rifle on it. Like, can I screenshot it? Because it's my first day. Okay, got my day. It's day 5 and I have a rifle. Gosh. Oh,
It's me, Joey. Can I revive me? It's a The deer goes here.
Yeah. I forgot he's in my sack.
Bro,
Get out!
help, help.
Get out. Kill.
Do not sprint.
Kill.
Do not sprint.
How's bro not dying?
It's already died. Wow, Curtis gem. Why?
Look at how he's in my sack.
Ya, ay, ya, ikaw! Uwi na, yan ay ulan.
There's the
Where are you?
here. Put it here. Hey, put it here.
Get the ammo. That's my weapon. I know.
Put it here.
Hala, ano ko yun ni ano?
Put it. Let's gonna max the fire.
Hindi na.
Help me.
Wait, I'm gonna eat first.